Cavite. And the race is on. Ice Storm fast to begin rising up by Forsari. Down on the inside of favorite Tories Best. Alongside pinakamagaling 9 Dragon Inner Class and Flying Hope. This the trailer. Number 2, the favorite Tories Best. By Lincoln Hub, Ice Storm in second. Alongside by Forsari. Down on the inside is Inner Class 9 Dragon pinakamagaling. Flying Hope as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Totis Best by Anek, followed by Ice Storm. Number 1, Inner Class down on the inside, rising up pinakamagaling by Porsaris, racing pip by Drell 9 Dragon, running in 6. Flying Hope is still running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. The favorite, Toris Best by 3/4 length. Running down on the inside is Inner Class. Ice Storm racing in third by Sam Tulas. Pinakamagaling is racing from the outside third. And running in fifth by Porsari 9 Dragon. Flying Hope still running at the back of the pack. Toris Best, Inner Class, pinakamagaling is racing from the outside as the action swing towards the long nice stretch run with the favorite Toris Best down on the inside is Inner Class and pinakamagaling. And nearing the finish line, Toris Best and Inner Class down on the inside, pinakamagaling Ice Storm, 9 Dragon. But still the favorite Toris Best still leading by some 2 lengths now. And finally, Toris Best. Inner Class, pinakamagaling. Ice Storm took fourth, 9 Dragon by Forsari, and Flying Hope comes last, through all the way.